Welcome to my video on Chapter 4 in our textbook. Alright, when we know that data follows a given probability distribution, alright, in other words, when a question tells us the probability distribution that the data follows, or we know some other way, in that case we can use the distribution to answer questions about the probability that randomly selected data points will have given values. For example, what is the probability that x is less than 7? What's the probability that x is between 83 and 105? Or even what is the probability that x equals 23? These are all kinds of questions that we'll be able to answer, okay? Over the next few chapters, we're going to learn how to answer probability questions like these about data that is distributed according to 4 different types of distributions. The binomial probability distribution is the first one we will look at, and it comes up in section 4.2. Here's the formula. Right there. It's a big mess, right? I mean, that's ugly. Fortunately, the TI-83 and 84 calculators do have this formula built in. If you watch the next video on my video list, it will show you how to do this one on these calculators. This is way easier than doing it by hand. I strongly recommend you watch the video. The next video is one that I found on YouTube. I didn't do this one myself because I don't have the software to show you, how to push the calculator buttons. This video has the calculator on it, and it shows you clicking the buttons, and then on the screen it even lists the buttons that he clicked. Very nice for learning how to use the calculator. The video is only about 6 minutes long and does a good job of explaining what you need to know. Presenter's voice is a little monotone, but he does a nice job of explaining, and the video is short. Alright, that is it for my Chapter 4 video. I told you this one would be short.